Hello everyone, John here at ECD Auto Design. Today bringing it out to you all an amazing looking Defender 110, part of our exclusive county collection, Project Isle of Wight. This actually has an amazing Brewster Green and gloss finish. Many options included already, about 65,000 plus options in upgrades that this vehicle has already in it, which makes it a very nicely loaded Defender 110. Anywhere from the glow LED lights and the segmented lights that you see out here, all the way to the dip dish wheels, the Black Magic LED lights on top. Now the Brewster Green color looks amazing in contrast with the black accents throughout the car. Everything feels premium about this vehicle. You see the billet metal door handles in black as well. Now as you come around the car, of course, you also see the glow lights in here. LEDs look very sharp, very clean, modern. Also you have dual outlets for the exhaust in here. Now accessing the vehicle to the back, of course, you're going to notice that we have parking sensors already included in the car, a trailer hitch receiver, and also a parking backup camera as well. Now to get in the back of the car, you see we have a 2+2 and 4 configuration, so you can put up to 8 people in here if you had to. Most people use this ladder as well, whether it's to put stuff on top of the roll cage, or if you need to assist yourself getting in, very easy to go like this and then jump in the back of the truck. Now we're gonna go towards the hood. To open that, we're gonna go on the passenger side, lower end here. Pull this tab towards you, open it up, and off we go. Now towards the right side of the grille, there's a release lever as well, and you can see this amazing LT1 engine out there. 455 horsepower crate, made it with a 10-speed automatic transmission, all the performance that you need and then some. All the fluids are easy to find. If you need to check your windshield wiper fluid, brake fluid, dipstick for your oil, etc., everything is very reachable as well. Extremely clean, as you can see. Everything we do here at ECD, making sure, of course, that things are the highest quality and easy to maintain as well. These 2 terminals are here, by the way, in case that you get a flat battery for whatever reason. You can jump start your vehicle from there instead of having to deal with the actual battery, which is nestled under the driver's side seat. Now we also have in all of our vehicles a built-in trickle charger, so you can use this, plug it to a wall, and then you can have, of course, a healthy battery if you were to leave the vehicle unattended for extended periods of time. Now inside this amazing cabin, you have the Shanklin traveler seats, extremely comfortable, have lumbar support adjustments as well, and they come with this very practical armrests, which are great for longer trips. You have power windows in the back, central locking, and you have a couple of USB outlets in front for your passenger and driver, as well as a couple of those that will point out here in the center console back area. Now ventilation controls are going to be pretty much nestled here. You have power windows in the front, control on the sides of the screen. You have a nice larger halo floating style screen in there for your navigation. You can use CarPlay, of course, for that, backup camera, display, etc. And all of our trucks come now with a digital rearview mirror that you can see out there, and also parking sensors that will flash a light and do a beeping sound in case that you get close to an object, of course. Now out here, of course, we have a Momo Prototipo steering wheel, very traditional, sporty looking as well. Keep in mind the horn doesn't work here. It's actually at the very end of this stock right here, so you can hear it. Your lights are automatic, but you can turn them on and off with the stock right here as well. And so you see, of course, everything else lighting up in there. Very nice touch with the white gauges as well, to give them a little bit of a popping accent in there as well for you. Now in the middle row, we have, of course, same seats as we do in the front. The Shanklin Travelers, very comfortable armrests. You also have a couple of cup holders in here. Rear AC included with fan control in there, on and off switch, of course. Power windows in the back, and also USB outlets there for your passengers in the rear, so they can utilize that. Now the partially extended console, of course, still allows for kids or smaller folks to actually go from here to the back if they need to, instead of having to go only on the way through the rear gate. Again, very practical, but most people really get these seats because they enjoy the fact that they're really nice for longer trips. It also gives you the extra, of course, armrest as you see in this one here. Now, all in all, this car has so many different options. They're amazing. Alcon brakes. Again, the LT1 engine. It's got a sports tuned suspension. It feels really, really good when you're driving it. Of course, the look itself with the Brewster Green exterior and the black wheels gives it a little bit more of an aggressive tone to it. But also, it's got a very elegant interior, as you can see, with the black leather and the honeycomb stitching that we put all throughout the seats in the car. Now, the best thing about this truck, it is available for sale. It's one of our limited county collection models, as I mentioned earlier. So if you're interested, if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be happy to help with any questions that you may have, and you know where to find us. Bye for now. Again, this is John from ECD. Take care.